Python caches modules. Let's say we're at the Python REPL testing out some code as we're developing it. And we decide that the string representation for a point object isn't friendly enough. So we modify our point class to add a dunderRepr method. And then we save our points.py file that this class is within. And we re-import this module, make a new instance of this class, and look at its string representation. And then we notice the string representation hasn't actually changed. It's the same as before. So we decide to exit the Python REPL, restart the Python REPL, and do everything all over again. Importing our class from our module, making a new instance of it, and then looking at its string representation to see that it changed this time. This happened because Python caches modules. Every module that is imported is stored in a dictionary called sys.modules. This dictionary maps the name of that module to the module object that it represents. So every time we import the same module again, Python doesn't actually reevaluate the code for that module. It just gives us back the same module object. This is a feature, not a bug. Python does this for performance reasons. This does start to feel like a bug, though, when we're testing our code from the Python REPL as we're making changes to our code. So the easiest way to fix this problem is to exit the REPL and start a new REPL, starting a brand new Python process with a brand new sys.modules dictionary. But you could also try to modify sys.modules, deleting things from it to clear the cache for that module. Or you could use the reload function from Python's importlib module, which reloads a module object. In either case, you might not actually fully fix your problem, though, because reloading a module doesn't delete references to old versions of classes and old instances to old versions of classes. So the easiest way to fix this really is to exit the REPL and restart it. Python caches modules. So if you're developing your code, as you are testing your code in a REPL, keep in mind that when you re-import a module, it doesn't actually re-import it. It uses the cached version of it. To really refresh a module, you should exit the Python REPL and start a new REPL.